Leading organizations today realize that becoming data-driven is an essential part of their business strategy. However, when leadership look to the market, they're typically met with hype and buzzwords. Words like AI, machine learning, data science, big data, cognitive. These phrases can really create barriers to success. But fundamentally, they do represent significant opportunity. At Mango, a lot of our work right now is to help organizations understand what's real and what's not, building a common language around what's possible so they can truly realize data-driven value. Within the context of becoming data-driven, a key word that you hear is analytics. And analytics is an incredibly broad term. It covers an incredible range of activities. Actually, within the world of analytics, there are actually 4 levels. Firstly, there's descriptive analytics. That's really the study of explaining what has happened. So boiling down lots of data into simple messages and summaries. The next level is diagnostic analytics. That's really the study of why that happened. So why was it that sales went up last Tuesday, for example? The next level is predictive analytics, a buzz phrase in itself. That's really about understanding what may happen given some different circumstances. So for example, what may happen in the future. And the last level is prescriptive analytics. This is really the study of how do I best behave given what I know about what may happen in order to maximize or minimize a particular outcome. Another common phrase we hear is data science, but what does this really mean? Data science is the proactive use of data and advanced analytics to drive better decision making. And when we say advanced analytics, we mean diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. So analytic approaches that require models. And then when we hear the other phrases such as AI, machine learning, deep learning, cognitive, in some respects these are simply mechanisms and methodologies to implement advanced analytics.